Alrighty, so in the last one we finished our buttons on the controller, and now all we have to do left is connect it to our Makey Makey. So we're going to use these things called alligator clips, and we're going to connect it to the Makey Makey on where we want it to go, and then also connect it to our controller. So I'm going to go ahead and take this part. Notice I unplugged the red part because I just want to get it kind of set up first. And the first and most important part is this control. You have to have a plan for this because this connects your project. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to connect that control to my control over here. There we go. So that's this part right here. And if you notice real quick, I am actually connecting it pretty far up. And that is because I'm actually planning on clipping or cutting these wires down so that way they don't touch each other. Because if they touch each other, your project's not going to work. So there we go. I'm probably going to cut it off right here. I just want to make sure I don't want to cut before I have a plan on where I want this. Okay. So now I have my control down. I'm going to go ahead and put my other wires in there. So right here we have our right. Okay. Right here we have our right. And that wire actually does not look very compact. So I'm going to roll that together just a little bit more. So hopefully that helps out with conductivity. All right. So we have our right. Let's try this again. We have a right. I'm going to connect it right there to right. And then on my Makey Makey, right here, you guys can see that. Since this goes to right, I'm going to put it right here on my right control on my Makey Makey. Okay. Not sure. All right. And so now I'm just going to connect the rest of them like that. So we have up right here. Put up on my up button. Put my up on the up spot on my Makey Makey, which is actually right here. I know it's up because, again, my red cord goes right here. Okay. Do I have any more alligator clips, or did I just use them all? Oh, I have one more, so I won't be able to get my reset in there right now. I'll just be able to get left, right, and up. Oh, again, this wire looks kind of... All right. So now I have all of my wires except for my reset. My reset is not coded or does not have an alligator clip to it. But my Makey Makey does have left, right, and up coded to it. So my controller should not work unless I have any of my aluminum touch each other, which I don't think I do right now, but I'm just going to hold it like this just to make sure that I don't accidentally touch anything. And I'm probably going to end up cutting this here in a second just to make it a little bit less likely there's going to be electrical interference here. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this in, and we will see how this works. All right. All right. So plugging it in now. Let's actually make me on top here. Ah! Got it. All right, and then we have, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this again. Actually, we're going to restart this. Okay. I hold my control. All right. And my controller is working. All right, and that is how you make a game controller.